Hello there, beautiful people. Welcome back to my channel. I hope you are doing well on this marvelous day. So today I am sharing with you all my long-awaited apartment tour. So if you guys don't know, I did recently move to New York City and I finally gotten my place to where I feel comfortable and at home, and I love all the decor that I was able to come up with for such a small space. But if you guys like this video, be sure to give it a like and subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to follow me on Instagram at Brianna L. Wright so that we can stay connected. If I missed anything throughout this video, feel free to just leave a comment down below if you want to know where something's from, and I will answer all your questions to the best of my ability. So without further ado, I'm going to go ahead and get into the details of this video. So the first thing you see when you walk in, I've got this sign that my aunt got for me for my going away gift, and it says live your dreams in New York, and I just put my purse, my keys, my jacket, and an umbrella on there. So when you first walk in, you see my living room space, and I just absolutely adore the way that it came out. I wanted to keep this very clean and simple and minimal, and just add some greenery in there with the plants. So first I got this cute little pillow from TJ Maxx, and I love the hello that's in cursive on there. It really ties in with the color of the wood flooring. And the other pillow behind it, I don't know if you can tell, but it has this cute little X detail on there from the threading. Now I found my sofa on Walmart.com. I ordered it. It was so easy to put together and it came really quick. And I love the detail that it has on the legs. You guys will see throughout the rest of the apartment tour that I'm super into different metallics. Now I found this plant. This is a dragon plant. Her name is Penelope, and I got her off of Etsy. And the vase and holder are from Amazon. This little Buddha, I actually got this from my mom's house. She had it in her basement. She wasn't using it, so I thought I'd go ahead and snag it. Now for like the focal part of the living room, I decided to go with a shelf instead of a TV because I'm just really not much of a TV person, and there's not a whole lot of space for it anyway. So I found this shelf off of Wayfair, and I put these prints from Decennial on there. This one says More Issues Than Vogue. And then over here, I got these two books from Amazon, Vogue on Coco Chanel and Elements of Style. I love that it was black and white. It really went with the theme that I was going for in the colors. And this little plant, it's not real, but I got it from IKEA. It just adds a little bit more depth and dimension because it goes longer, so I really like that. Now this little baby over here is Dinero. She is just so beautiful and full. I love this plant. It's a snake plant. This is the same pot, just bigger than the other one from Amazon. And the stand that this is sitting on is from Home Goods. I found my rug at Bed Bath & Beyond, and it has a deeper gray undertone to it, so I'm just hoping I can keep it fairly clean. Now another fun hack that you can make a small space look bigger is to put mirrors in there. The reflection just makes it seem a lot larger. And I love this mirror. I got it from IKEA, and I just added some LED lights behind it to make it pop off of the wall. Now onto the kitchen. This was definitely the seller when I was looking at my different options, and everything is brand new, all stainless steel, and it just looks so clean and modern. It was the same price as a lot of the older buildings that I was looking at, and this was just so happened to be newly renovated, so I just love the modern chic look that it has and the stainless steel appliances. It is my favorite part of my apartment, and I do a lot of cooking, so I'm in the kitchen a lot. So in the fridge, we just got some goods. I made some spaghetti, got some milk, and I love these little containers I found at TJ Maxx. This just helps keep your refrigerator nice and clean and have everything separated. So I didn't know this until I got here, but I guess microwaves are kind of hard to come by in New York, so I was very excited when this one had that already. And I just really love all of the black finishes. I feel like it just makes it look super chic, and it's clean and crisp next to the white walls. So over here I've got this cute little wine holder and my wine opener, but I have been slowing down on the wine a bit, so it is empty right now. But on this other side, I love to just tie in the wood decorations. It just makes it look very rich, and it brings in the colors from the wood flooring. And the fun part is these LED lights actually came with the place, so that was really nice touch. And then I've just got a few mugs in here. That was my favorite. It says no drama. So my mom just got me these cute little shot glasses, and I think she got them from TJ Maxx. and the rest of those cups are from TJ Maxx as well. I've got my Ninja in here and some cutlery. And it's always good to get these little containers from like a TJ Maxx or Home Goods. It just helps with organizing your space a lot better. So on this side of the kitchen, I've got these huge pieces on the wall. I found these at TJ Maxx, and I just love that they are bright and rose gold. I actually had these at my old house, and I brought them here with me because they were just my absolute favorite. I think they look so cute. And this light fixture was here when I got here, but I think it's perfect for the space, and I really love it. These bar stools I ordered from Amazon, and they are extremely comfortable. I don't have a table, so this is where I do all of my eating, and I just love them so much. They adjust to different heights, so it's perfect for any height of your bar. And then I'm such a cold body, I've got this little basket over here, and it's just full of blankets. So if I need an extra blanket or if I have company over, I can offer them something comfy. And these prints over here are also from Decor. So here's another hack for your closet. Get one of these hanging shoe racks. It definitely helps with space. And I also have a rack underneath here too. And this is just like my coat closet. And I've got some bags up top. So moving out of the living room slash kitchen area into my bedroom. And as you can see, this door, as you may have noticed in my other videos, is the door that separates my kitchen slash living room and my bedroom. And I just love this barn door. It's so beautiful, and it just creates that nice separation of space. So this place had very small closet space, so I got this wardrobe from IKEA, and thanks so much to my mom and my sister. They helped me move everything and helped me put everything together, and it holds a lot of stuff, so it's pretty amazing. And the great part about the TV is that it does swivel out, so I can watch it from the living room if need be. And I've just got my jewelry in here, and this other IKEA drawer I keep all of my hair products and my makeup and just like different little toiletries that I need. Over by the window, I've got some candles and my other baby. Her name is Fiona. And I've got these blackout shades that I found at Bed Bath & Beyond. Love them because they look so clean and fresh. I went with the white color, but it's completely dark in here and pitch black when I close them. So my desk I got from IKEA, and just little knickknacks on there. This seashell is from Target. My sister made me that Kleenex holder, and then that mirror is from Bed Bath & Beyond, and the candle holder is from my great-grandmother. For my rug, I found this at Raymore & Flanigan. For bedding, the white bedding is from Amazon, and the throw blanket black one is from Etsy, and the gray one is from Bed Bath & Beyond. So this is just kind of like an overview of what it looks like. And then the white pillows I found at IKEA, and the others are all from Amazon. So above the bed, I have some more prints from Decor. I love these two little ladies. They're so beautiful. And the other one says, "Dream without fear and love without limits." And I ordered my headboard from off of Wayfair. And this is a nice little sign, and you can change out the messages, but this one says, "A journey of 1,000 miles begins with one small step, a step of faith that God will see you through." So of course, with this huge jump moving to New York, I definitely need all of that inspiration and spiritual uplifting that I can get. So this is just a great little reminder that I can see every day when I get out of bed. So in this corner, I decided to add some little shelves just to kind of give it a little bit more life over there. I felt like it was missing something, and I added one of these plants from IKEA. This book is from Amazon, and this little lady matched perfect with my prints from Decor. So for my bedside tables, I love them. They have this beautiful marble detail and they're very minimal, but they get the job done. Look very closely, they have little USB ports and a outlet on there, so that's really cool feature that they have, and they have wheels. So when I saw this, I had to have it. And as for the decor on top, I kept it very simple. I've just got this little planetarium from TJ Maxx, and I've got a jewelry holder here, and on the other one I've just got some faux flowers. So the last part of the apartment tour, I'll show you all my restroom. It is very minimal, just black and white, very clean and crisp. And it was great because this part was newly renovated too, so the bathroom was super clean and I feel comfortable taking a bath because I'm such a bath person, so that's amazing. I've got this little nook here to put my shampoo and conditioner. And then here for the sink, I've got some extra towels along with my soap holder and my toothbrush holder from TJ Maxx. And this was a major key blessing. It comes with a washer and dryer. When I saw this, I knew for sure that this was the place for me because I am all about convenience. So yeah, you guys, that pretty much completes the apartment tour. I hope you all enjoyed this video. Be sure to like and subscribe. And if you have any questions, then leave a comment down below and I will answer them to my best ability. Much love. Peace.